Hello, everyone. Once again, it's Dan Calandro from the Mercer County Community College Library, and today we're going to be talking about electronic books. So this is for Professor Bonard's second paper, the one that is about women's movements. Again, here is your paper prompt. The three sources you have are the Yellow Wallpaper, Daddy by Plath, and Goodbye to All That by Robin Morgan. And the question is support or refute the theory that today's women are dealing with the same issues as Gilman, Plath, and Morgan. Now, in the first video, I showed you guys how to use our electronic databases to find articles. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can use one of our ebook collections to find some additional sources. Again, you don't have to necessarily use this, but it is another nice tool for you guys to have when you are locating sources for your paper. Once again, it's going to be all based off of keyword terms. So again, here's a couple of them. And again, you can use any of these or some combination thereof. Again, the Boolean operator AND is going to allow you to combine keyword terms. So let's take a look at our ebooks. We head to the main Mercer website, www.mccc.edu, and then from there, you go to Library Services, just like we did in the last video. And over here on the left, you have Ebrary eBook Central. That's the one we're going to use. Go ahead and click on that. There you can see the login screen, so log in. And the nice part about Ebrary is that all of the books in here are available full text. So you don't have to check them out, or in this case, worry about going to the library. You'll be able to actually search within the text of the book, which is great. I'll show you how you can do that, and we'll see if we can find some sources for you guys. And here you can see I've already done some searching as well. All right, so let's go ahead and type in women's rights movement, and we will see what we get. Again, you can type in Morgan's name, you can type in Gilman's name, and see what comes up. So we've done our search. You can see it has found the keywords in the title, and you can scroll through and take a look at them. You can see here too, you've got some options for narrowing down your search. What may be helpful though is, okay, here's one. The Other Women's Movement, Workplace Justice, and Social Rights in Modern America. That looks interesting. Go ahead, click on it. And what it does is it takes you to a short little description of the book here, telling you very quickly what it's about. What I like to do, though, is take a look at the table of contents. The table of contents here is going to tell you what chapters are in the book. So if there is a particular chapter that you're interested in, you can go in there and you can take a look at it. So here, Social Feminism Remade. We can click on that chapter, and the book will take us right to those pages. And you can scroll through and look at the book, and you can see it loads as you scroll. Now, for you guys, if there's something in particular you're interested in, an author, an idea, a concept. So let's say we're interested in Charlotte Perkins Gilman. Here, we can take her name, we'll copy it, and with Ebrary, we can actually search within the book over here on the left. So I'll plug in Charlotte Perkins Gilman's name, see if she's in this book here. And there you can see it found 5 results in the book. And if you take a look here, these little triangles tell you that your search term is in these chapters. The more the bar is filled, the more times your search term appears. So here we'll go chapter 2, telling me on page 166, it has found my search term. So we'll scroll down and see if we can find it. It'll highlight it. There it is, Frances Perkins. Okay, so that's not who we were looking for. If we scroll down here, chapter 6, it also says something, and we can go and we can take a look. So even though it didn't find the exact person that we want, that's okay. We can make it do it by putting that person's name in quotes, just like we did in our database search. All right, Charlotte Perkins Gilman does not appear in there, so that's okay. How about the yellow wall paper? And again, these phrases, see if they pop up. They don't. Okay. How about wage gap? Again, we'll do the quotes because we want these specific phrases to appear in the book. There, it's found it. So again, if you're interested in particular things, you can go ahead and you can do that. And clicking on that little down arrow will show you the pages that it's on. And you can go and you can flip through the pages and find them. If you find a particular page or chapter that you want, Ebrary does have some nice features. You have the ability to go ahead and print them off in a PDF format. So here you can select an individual page, page range, or a current chapter that you're in. You also have the ability to get a little link to the book. It'll actually take you back to the page that you are on. And then finally, you have the ability to generate a citation for this book. The little quote bubble there, it says get citation. If you click on it, it will do that and give you the citation. So you can copy and paste that into your log or your research paper. Okay, so again, if you guys get stuck, lost, or confused, that was Ebrary. You've seen the databases before. If not, please watch the database video. If you guys get stuck or confused, please reach out, contact us, send us an email, send us a message on Google. Whatever you guys can do to get in touch with us, we'll do our best to help you. All right, guys, good luck. Thank you.